So she's gonna keep driving back and forth. I told her to. I told her it's very soothing. See, look, I told you.
Boom, the bitch munches it. Waka laka.
Waka laka.
They all should.
Fuck up a fly.
Okay.
Yeah, these fucking whores. Talk my dad and shit. These fucking beach. Where the fuck is she at? Hey, run up on her. Run up on her.
Go hide behind
Hide
between the
Hide
truck.
behind the trailer.
Between the truck and the trailer.
She's gonna fucking fall and scrape her whole body.
Go crazy shit. Now I'm gonna think I like her. You don't nigga, why the fuck would you think you like animals, nigga? Go.
Like, go.
I've never done a bird before.
Go. Hey, dude,
Go behind the trailer, go.
We gotta record her fucking face. Christian, go do it so we can see her too. Dude, fuck you. Come on. You need to do something. You're fucking funny, nigga.